Hello everyone, today I will be showing you a few commands on the terminal just so that you can be productive. The first and most important one you want to know is change directory so that you can go to your workspace. One key thing to note is you only have to type the first few letters, hit the tab key, hit enter, and there you are. The next thing you want to do is you want to list what is inside the directory. So inside here I have a couple of folders, some projects that I've been working on, and okay, let's go into React drums, and there we are. Okay, when you're there, list the folders. If you want to see more information, LSLA. Okay, now that was just basic moving around. If you want to go back, it's 2 dots. Want to go back some more, 2 dots. Okay. Of course, don't forget, if you have a nice terminal, you can copy that, CD, paste, hit enter, and you're back there. Then the next thing you want to know is, you can see this project is Git enabled. So you can say git status. Okay, no changes on these files. What file can I change? Let's say we want to update the package.json file. Let's change the name. Call it React Drums v2. Okay. Let's save that. Now we have some changes. You can see it's gone yellow. Now git status, let's see what that is all about. When you see it in red, that means there's been some changes, file's been modified, and you can see that Git is saying no changes added to the commit, and it's actually helping you. It's saying, hey, use git add and or git commit -a. So git commit -a will just add a commit message and add this change to Git, but we don't want to do that yet. We actually want to see what the diff is. So we want to say git add -p, which will open up this handy little tool that shows you the difference. Starting at the top, you can see the diff is version A to version B. Okay, it's saying that version B has had some additions, and you can see the change. Now, all of these shortcuts, they all mean something. If you just hit the enter key, you can see what they mean. So yes means to stage the hunk, no means do not stage the hunk. So that means if there's another change to stage, it will not stage this one and move you to the next file. Of course, quit will stop the whole process, and then A will stage this hunk and every other hunk in the file in the session, at which point you may as well have just hit git add dot. So don't do this one. Do not stage this hunk or any of the later hunks in the file, and manually edit the current hunk and print help. So we're going to say yes, and then we're going to say git status to see what the change has been added and committed. Now we can say git commit -m updated file name. Okay, and of course now we can say git status again. You can see nothing to do, and then you can say git push. Okay, there's our change.